Good morning, traders. It's Monday, June 29th at 4:17 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today that are moving. We've got Applied Materials, AMAT, and we've got Broadcom, AVGO. So let's go ahead and have a look. These are the largest prints in the last 30 days, and we can see, I always do this every video so that we can see how the price action works against the dark pool. So we can see here going back 1 month, we have this consolidation of prints, 800K, 500K, things like that. And we can see here, this is a great swing entry here, increasing volume there, but there were two prints there. We pulled back, got more prints, and you can see how this opens, tests the prints, moves up high volume, back to the print, and then we're off to the races again. But we've had this consolidation over the last couple of weeks, which you can see we've moved up. Massive volume on Friday, and now we're breaking above. So this one came back and tagged the 4 exponential moving average, almost this print, and now we're moving up. So we can retrace back to this print level, or we can move up, and clearly we can go sideways, but we've got a plan either way. If something happens, we can trade it with our trade setup. So we are bullish above, well, I had 651 originally, now we're at 653. So let's set this up to 654, bullish above 654, target 665.33, 660, 670, 674.53, 680, 690, 700, 712, 72 is R3, which is usually overbought. So anyway, this is it's much easier on the upside. It looks at the downside, we're bearish below 630. So let's get below here. We've got my 200 simple, 200 exponential. We got a pivot cam. We've got these moving average here. There's the 50 simple. This is all the post market. So I know it's a bigger move from here down to our entry point. So on the downside, but this is all noise and it's not a very safe trade. So bearish below 630. Target 623.34, 619.84, 617.11, 324K. 616.34, 612.50. You can see this one, 606.50, 605.84, 598.15. I stopped here at S2. So you can see how there's lots of things that would probably bounce if we're going to move on the downside. Okay, let's move over to Broadcom, AVGO. Okay, so Broadcom here on the daily, this is going back a month. You can just see this sandwiched right here for the last month. It's just been a sandwich. So we've had these prints, and these are massive prints, 1 million, 2.7 million, 6 million, 2 million, a million. So you can see here, this is quite a lot of institutional interest here. So we've got this print, we pulled back, and then we got this consolidation of prints here, and you can see where the interest was. We've got this up to this print level, back up to the print level again from up here, all the way back down. And now we're breaking above. This one's up $6. You can see this one's moving up to test the 4 exponential moving average and maybe getting into these 900K prints, a million. But we're holding this 200 simple moving average here, and that's a 100 that we're sitting on right now. So let's see what we get. We're going to be bullish above 372.50. Here we can see we're banging on this right here, which is that 100 moving average. So let's get above 372.50, target 374.91, 376.10, 920K, like I mentioned, 376.71, and 377.37. So we're coming up to this R2 double prints. See if we hold this, and if we start pulling back, then there might be a short entry there for a retracement trade. Then we've got 382, 380, 380, 207, 385, 57 is this big one I mentioned, 5.9 million, and R3 is 387.23. We've got that on the upside. So that one's a little bit easier. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 369. Let's get below here, below my 200 simple, 200 exponential. We're fighting with that at the moment. Target 367.73, 367.51 is the pivot. 366.83, 365.92. So you can see here that we've got the pocket from here to here, and then it's a little difficult. We've got this post market here. Then we've got 364.12, 363.21, 362.31, 361.34, 359.60. You can see these levels here. Then we've got 357.65 is S2, 355.13, 350, 347.79 is S3. So if you get below a few of these and it starts moving a little bit more, then you've got a wider range here to trade on that. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. Sign up for our weekly dark pool report, mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report. And you get swing trade setups. Goes out Sunday, 7 a.m. Eastern. So you get 13 stocks to trade, including SPY, Qs, IWM, with a nice table of all your bullish above with targets, bearish below with targets, and it's been doing quite well. And so sign up for that. Happy trading, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.